Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about switch condition. In my previous video I have discussed about if, else if and else condition. If you haven't watched my previous video, I will suggest you to watch my previous video. So you can go to my description, there I have added the playlist link and there you will find this video. You can watch this one because switch condition it's a similar of this if, else if and else condition, just a syntactual different. Okay. So earlier it has some performance difference as well, but now the modern browser execute the same way. So no performance difference right now, just only the syntactual difference. Readable wise switch condition, it's a easy. Okay. So now I will go to the HTML file and I will show you the switch condition. So here this is the HTML file, and in my last video what I did, just I will give you the brief idea about that. So here you can see I have added multiple div. Okay. And here I'm assuming you know the basic HTML and CSS. So for those div I have added some CSS here. Okay, you can see here. Now after that, here I have taken one variable name, you can write anything. So here I had written this variable name, and after that document.get elements by tag name, this div tag, because those are tag, right? So just here for example I have written like this. So here those things I already have discussed. So this is I hope you understand this one. And now here I have written one for loop, you can see. Okay, and after that this for loop, it's like a I equals to 0. Okay, I have taken one variable I, and I is a 0, means this loop will start from first div. Okay, and I will go to div element dot length, means from here to here it will go, and here it will increase one by one, means first this one, then this one. So like this way from here to here it will loop, right? So that's why I had written this for loop. And after that I had written one condition. Okay, so condition is triple equals to 0, means when it will be first div, so that time I have written this red color. Okay, after that here 0, then 1, then 2. Okay, so again I had written another condition like when I will be 2, means 2 means this third div. Okay, so here I starting from 0, means here 0, 1, 2, means third div will be green color, and apart from all those apart from 0 and 2, means first and third div, apart from those it will be blue color. And now if I go to the browser, so here you can see first div and third div is the red and green color. Apart from first and third divs, all are blue color. So that thing I had written using if, else if and else condition, right? So now that same thing I will write using switch condition. So here I will keep it same, all of those, only here I will change. Okay, because instead of if, else if condition I will write switch. So the syntax is, just I will press enter, and now for now I will keep this condition, later I will remove, because if I remove for now, so it will be difficult to understand. If I keep it, then it will easy to understand, and I can show you the difference also. Okay, so now the syntax is, first you have to write switch. Okay, this is switch, then parenthesis, then curly braces. Okay, now here if you notice, here I'm checking based on I, right? I equals to 0, then something else. If I equals to 2, then something else. Okay, like based on I am checking the condition. So here switch, here I will write I. Okay, now here I will write case. Case means here this one, right? Here I'm checking if 0, if 2, so those are called case. So here I will write 0, then colon, then here you have to write your condition. So if I 0, so then what I'll do, so then I'll write this thing, right, means red color. Okay, then after that you have to write break, means after adding this one, condition will break. Now here again case, then I, here see I have written if I triple equals to 2, so here I will write 2, then again here I light this one green color, okay, like this, and again condition will break if it is fulfilled. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now here you can see if, else if and else, means apart from 0 and 2 all those div will be blue color. So here we write like default. So here I'll just copy this one and I'll paste here. Okay, now I'll save and just I'll remove this one because now I had written this switch condition. See the syntax again, okay, and this is readable, right? Easy to read. Now I'll go to the preview. Okay, so here you can see same thing, because I told already if, else if and switch condition it's the same, just only the syntactual difference. Earlier it has some performance difference as well, but now modern browser execute the same way, no performance difference, only the syntactual difference. Switch condition it's a more readable, okay, that is the difference only. So now if you want to add some another condition like first one, also you want to add some another color like case 1, okay, and here you can write yellow, you can do that. See, red first one, second one yellow, third one green, then apart from first, second, third it's a blue colors. Okay, hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and Insta ID you will get in the screen or my description, so you can follow my Insta and you can message me if you have any doubt about this switch condition. And if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update.